Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Google Slide. So as you can see, meron akong title slide. Okay, so for example, ang lalagay, i-click mo lang to, itong text box na to, para makapag-type ka ng title mo. Usually kasi, ang first slide natin ay nakalagay dapat ang title. So for example, sample, okay, Google, or for example, Google slide tutorial. Okay, so ayan. Now, how to modify your text. You can change the format of your text through the font, size, color from the shortcut toolbars. So, ito yung shortcut toolbars. So, ang gagawin lang natin, first is, you can highlight the text, and then, you can change the following option. So, meron dito, yan, from the toolbar. Okay, you can increase and decrease the size of the text. You can click bold, okay, italic, underline, and then you can change the color of your text, okay, and then you can also click a highlight color. Okay, so that's it. This is the command na pwede natin makapag-modify ng text, and then you can also change the font style of your text. So you can also modify it and click more fonts para mas marami kang pagpipilian. Okay, so ayan, check mo lang yan, i-click mo lang kung ano-ano pa yung gusto mong mga font style, and then click OK. Yan, para mas marami kang option dito. Okay. Ano ba yung kinilik natin? Ano ba yung kinilik natin? Check ko lang sa more fonts. Okay, try natin tong Quicksand. Quicksand. Letter Q. Okay, so kapag kinilik mo yan, meron ding another option. You can use light, normal, medium, o semi-bold or bold. Okay, so ayan yung magiging itsura niya. Okay, ito yung mga recent na ginamit natin. Ayan. So you can change your font style. Okay, you can change the size. Okay, bold, italic, underline, text color, and you can also change you can also put the highlight color. Okay, next one. So you can also change the arrangement or alignment of our text. So click this one and then click this align. Okay, so usually ang ating Google slide is, our title is naka-center, and then malaki yung ating text para mas kita. Pwede natin i-transparent para wala ng color yung highlight niya. Okay, tinry lang naman natin kanina. And then, ayan na siya. And then, you can also type this one, itong maliit. Okay, text box yan. Kapag nakakita kayo ng click to add subtitle, ayan, pwede naman, ibig sabihin pwede siyang lagyan ng text. Okay, sample slides. And then, mag-add tayo ng another slides. Okay, so ito na yung ating body or laman. Okay, how to add bullets. Okay, bullets. Paano tayo makapag-add ng bullets sa ating text? For example, we have rows, we have sunflower, we have what do you call this? Sampagita. Okay, so kinds of rows yan. So, kapag may red pala, okay, ibig sabihin na wrong spelling, you can right-click this one from your mouse and then did you mean? So, meron siyang suggestion dito. Ito yung correct spelling ng sampagita. Ayan. So, how to click or to add a bullet. So, dito tayo sa more option. So, click this one. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, that's it. Next. Ganun din sa number. You can also change it in a number. Okay, so yan. Pwede na siyang i-increase and i-decrease. You can also add bullets and numbers. Okay. Okay, again, how to align text. So we have here alignment. We have here left, center, right, and then justify. Okay, so left tayo. Okay, kasi number naman tayo. Now, what is line spacing? So, line spacing, okay, is the space between lines of a text or between a paragraph. So, this is the example of line spacing. So, yan, you can use single, okay, double. So, did you see the difference? And then, you can also click custom spacing. For example, number 3. Okay, mas lumaki pa yung line spacing niya between the text. Okay. Next, what is clear formatting? Ano ba yung clear formatting? Turns your text into normal default. For example, di ba, nilagyan natin ito ng design. Okay. Nilagyan natin niya ng design na gusto natin. And then, nilakihan. So, what is clear formatting? So, i-click mo lang to, itong this one. Okay, more option. Okay, clear format. Itong T na to na naka-slash. Okay, or you can use shortcut key control and then slash. Okay, click mo lang yan. Ibig sabihin, magiging normal yung text niya, yung design niya. Mawawala yung minodify nating design. Ayun yung use ng clear formatting. So, undo natin. Yan. Kapag kinilik natin yan, mawawala yung design. Magiging normal siya. Okay? Next, what is indention? Indention is the line space that used to move paragraph far away of the margin. So, for example, indention natin. So, close ko na tong team ha, para makita natin. So, click this one, indention. Okay, we have here a decrease and increase indent. Okay, ito yung increase indent. Ayan yung itsura, nagiging ganyan siya. And then, decrease indent. Okay, again, it is the line space that used to move paragraph far away of the margin. Kasi ito yung margin natin, di ba? Kapag in-increase natin siya, move siya far away sa margin. Okay. Next, what is text box? Okay, how to add text box? As you can see, mag-add slides tayo. Ito, text box. Okay, this text box, ayan. You can also add text box to your mismong slide. For example, pwede ka rin mag-type dyan. Kaya ang sabing text box para makapag-add ka ng another text. Okay. So, ayan. Diba? Kung gusto mo pang mag-add ng text box. So, pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng number. Okay. Next, how to format paint. Okay, what is the paint format? Okay, ito yung paint format. Okay, ito yung command na yan, yung itsura na yan. So, ano bang use na yan? So, let's see. Tignan natin. So, i-paint format nga natin tong text na yan. And then, click natin to, paint format. And then, ilagay natin dito sa mismong text box. Okay, ano napansin nyo? So, ang gamit ng paint format, allows you to copy the formatting you have applied to a specific section of text to another section. So, kung ano yung design niya rito, automatic kapag in-apply mo rin sa paint format, magigaya siya rito. Okay, so para hindi ka na uulit sa pag-design. Automatic, ipipaste mo lang, kakopy-paste mo lang yung design sa ginawa mong unang design. Okay, so that's it.